Ebusian for ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana SMTVGH. Mesrel, like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for answer na mekwa asem no so no pese me da munyina asem mo amoboaye with the ongoing contributions no donations towards your studio. As I've made you know, say maybe I'm meeting my bedroom. Okay, I'm just living in a single room apartment. So I've taken part of it to use as this that you are seeing here. I don't even have a wardrobe because wardrobe in any space doesn't have a space that I'll place it at. But most importantly, no Busian for what I also want you to know is sometimes say must send this kanusana. I don't know who has sent it. It makes me feel some way sad because I wish I could know the person who sent the money. Then I come and say I contact and say thank you. Especially for more abrochiri. Some people will actually send me WhatsApp and then I know that I'm anticipating. But some also just out of their kind heart send and they don't want to give me, they don't even want me to know who the person is. Please, kindly help me. Let me know you so that I can thank you properly. Okay, thank you. Ebusianfo, asem we de mo du kakra. But yeah, me there. Ghana asem there edi bremo sa, right? Apparently, one of the reasons why say Sam George MP no on shada ye interested sa in trumu fight no. From what we are hearing from NDC Boy, I have no bongo ideas. Bongo ideas or NDC Boy. No. Sa bongo ideas na otmi sorry, otmi ya baomia, ya Akufo Addo. Na ye NDC for there. Omuba power cry no mama an appointment. Yeah, so cause ya guy bisa sebi. NDC for etimi shenya kupo enim an appointment. Because Juma omudi shenin sana. Aye ni ye. Yeah. And next bongo's ideas no. Ni post be resurface. And that is what we are standing on. Or see Sam George. A bit me bem say Sam George or ye gay. Yeah. And na ekon. NDC Boy aye bongo ideas neka. And I'm putting the post on the screen for you to see for yourself. Say nyamina maker. And it reads, could Sam George be gay? Let's listen carefully to the word and see. Some exclusive information do suggest that the loud-mouthed MP has a tight circle of LGBTQ guys who support and finance his elections. Or see, NDC Boy IFN Bongo's idea see information bia concrete information now on new bongo ideas NDC for communicator na aso mu ni echere say honorable Sam George no ase owo adamfofo bia omoye trumu fo even though omoye trumu fo no mo skapa na sa nkrofo na finance sponsor Sam George ni campaign in the elections. Again, he continues to say, also his campaign manager and others in his circle identify as homosexuals, and thus his fight is nothing but a horse. Or see, NDC Boy no, yes, he said denchem free. In Shumbeka say, hey, that's that. I will learn it after a year. But I will name sa parable. No pacho comment section mami why. Me who am messia. So next time I use it, right? Yeah. But when the fish comes from the water to tell you that the crocodile is asleep, you better believe it. Because if the crocodile were to be awake, maybe the fish wouldn't have made it that far to come and tell you. And you'll see, even Sam George, no, the campaign manager, any necrophobia, omu bear Sam George, no, omu, mababon sabeka say, omu etrumudifo. Sebi. Enti sana fight ana Sam George pretending of fighting LGBTQs and same no. Sana ye azan. Na ye azan. And recently, the reason I'm believing this guy and I'm bringing back this thing, and he say, you remember, this I'm George Abeka say, adeɛ biara a ɔyɛ yɛ brand more opposition. No, it was not out of conviction, it was not out of truthfulness, but it was all to see his party come back to power. Samukai. And they say, NDC guy beka kyerɛ me no say, sa ntɔkwa na Sam George ka say, or your church elder, ya anoint edin most nyina de ehwegu ne tiri so say, onko no nkɔko against trumu no sana ya zana. Who am I? Who am I to say it's a lie? I beg, me beg. Pamucho, me dem because Ochantro. He posted this thing in 2024 before election. So if NDC comes and they have come to give him appointment, what it means is say they approve to this post, and that's why I'm bringing it back to you. Because Reverend Tim Fojo is fighting against LGBTQ. No? Sam George is nowhere to be found. And why is Sam George nowhere to be found? ABI is because Asema NDC Boy bongo ideas na kaye no. ABI no kre. Look, who am I? Adia is just John Dramani Mahama, you know. He's playing with fire. And do you know something? I'm not saying this to defend John Mahama, but apparently the people behind all these small arrests, no. Papa Nankasa, some common floor members are many appointment under this government. Uka say Kofi Ofosu Nkasa his arrest, no. Na ye Beatrice Anana Sheji.
Yeah.
Right? And they have come to power and they are exercising authority. They should pray hard. Says one person will not die in their custody. Because when it gets to the place, somebody loses their life in the custody of Akufo from national security, say Yoko, say, all because of this political witch hunter. That is when they would know, say, international community and the citizenry are monitoring whatever they are doing. Because a very serious case, and conform international dynamics as here, they will tell you we might look insignificant. So, NPP for more opposition, power. But if one person gets unalive in their custody, you can't see human life. No, what we find there gross how, and you can never ever anticipate what might happen to somebody.
A second voice.
Yeah, because 2021, I had a guy who came to the who was admitted in my ward. Very handsome guy with beard. I will never forget. I've seen people expire under my watch, but for that guy in Kwandie, his name, his face, everything sticks in my head. Very healthy guy. He only came with malaria. But the next day, the guy was gone. And sir, from who NDC for, they think say the whole world belongs to them. No, please be careful. Please be careful. We will keep telling you for now. Don't wait until something happens before. Because now our authorities, the authorities that be, are suffer for. See, you people are showing us say whatever NDC is doing, no, you people agree to it. Is sanctioned by you. That is what your silence, no, communicated to us. If that is not the case, we are expecting Christian Council, Charismatic Council, Catholic bishops, and whichever councils there are to come out and speak about the arrest. Because some of these arrests also is going to constitute a financial loss to the state. And do you know why I'm saying this? Because I can tell you that when the time is right, my sister AJ will go to court over unlawful arrest.
Yeah, she needs to sue.
Yeah, she will sue. And we know the right time to sue. And when she sues, she will win the case because the people, you arrested her without any justifiable cause. And there are many people among the MPP folks that have been arrested without any justifiable cause. And when the time comes, Ghana as a country is going to pay for it with taxpayers' money. And the moment Ghana starts paying for it with taxpayers' money, it represents what? Causing financial loss to the state. And then it will come back to these guys and ladies who are pulling strings behind closed doors, all to show, say, they have power. Look, 2028, it's just in the corner. It's just in the corner. And me, any day I go to sleep knowing very well, say, 2028 is ours to win. It is ours to win. And as I was saying, anybody who is silent today, obi bia oye silent and ne so ye archbishop, who ye cardinal, who ye bishop, who ye day, who ye church elder, deacon, remain silent after 7th December 2028. Because if you dare come out after 7th December 2028, after we've known, said Baumia has won, and we start taking action, you come out and say, oh, yenja, your church will pay for it. I'm telling you. And I'm saying it now because...
Are we going to wait 2028? Let's just for a scenario. Say, you know this Raymond Aqua.
Acha.
Joy. Raymond Aqua of Joy FM.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Joy News. Yeah. So let's just take a see a Winia. So he will come back to Joy and be interviewed MPP. Raymond Aqua will come back to Joy. And after we win, he will be hosting program and interview we MPP.
Right? And I'm saying, say, you are quiet today, be quiet after 7th December 2028. If you dare come out to play any monkey trick with us, your church or your shrine will pay for it. Because fetish priests you people are not coming out to pour libation to tell your mama, say, enough is enough. And the Akufo Addo there, as a now drinks, snaps, as a now cheap empty, every now and then, someone is pouring libation. Demonstration, someone is pouring libation. Today, dear, as a snaps, say a shorty war, chrome to say a condom shorty war, a kwewo, but you people are also not coming out to say anything. We know, say, our fate under this useless, incompetent government is to be arrested, and we are ready for it. We are prepared for it. But what we know is, say, you are putting into us hatred, which ideally, should not be in politics, because it's just game of ideas, superior argument. But you are putting in a hatred. You are showing us, say, and not just a game of ideas or conversation that we are having. You are showing us pepper. You are showing us pepper, and you are showing us where power lies. So you are showing us that power is sweet. No problem. No problem. We will wait patiently. I can't say 2 years, right? 8 months. Is that not true? Every day that God is creating, we are counting down. And bro, because I can't bear 700 or something days. That is how serious people have become. Counting down towards 2028 election. Blow. We will get there. We will get there. And our executives, we are begging you. I don't know. I've been told for a fact, said this lady there, Onye MPP ni. Yes, she might not be an MPP person. That notwithstanding, no, we should be interested in her arrest. Because this is a way to win people into the party.
Yeah.
So be a NDC nimpo. Now, NDC for nipa na. We as the biggest opposition, we are supposed to step in. Say nipa no here lawyer, provide a lawyer. Say Jana nipa no here, provide the food. Say mental support, and say moral support. Let's provide it for the lady. Me, I don't know the lady. I've never heard her name before, Gra. I've never till today. I don't even know how she looks like.
Oh, she's quite popular on this app.
say ye movie dey ba TikToker fat base any baby MPP
politics, but I know she's not into politics. She's into social issues.
Yes.
Yeah, and voice, she's not into politics. Those kind of insults, grudges, and she's not into it.
No.
It should be bad. We're taking a bite, and one no.
You see,
She's very fluent. You see,
So party leadership. Let's as much as possible quickly, because this is a political advantage. Go in for her and also show to all other bloggers who may be neutral still, or who may have finished stopping the 78 million Ghana cedis that was allocated last year. Let's let them know that we care and we stand with them. They will come and help us to gain back power 2028. Finally, here, justice for Miss Bell. We the hashtag we are trending.
Papa no.
Justice for Miss Bell. An injustice against Miss Bell is an injustice against all of us. We stand with Miss Bell.
Who are the
They cannot. I just say.
Who are the us?
We now. And I said,
Me see who are the us? Us there.
Me fat base for the base for Nina. We base for Nina. Yeah, we stand with Miss Bell. Papa no, you cannot finish using us, and then when you are sharing appointment, you appoint baby mamas to Jubilee House, and then the sweet Miss Bell, I be 16 years, I go to be like this, so she there, you not appoint her, and then when she's coming to lobby to her, you people are sacking her. That is not fair. That is injustice. Either you do the right thing for Miss Bell or you be bodria. Madam Mansi.